What's up guys? Samsung Galaxy A51 and A71 were unveiled in December and originally launched in Vietnam. Now the company has announced the release date and price of the two phones for Europe, starting with Netherlands, and in this video we will also reveal the details of price in US and in India. The Samsung Galaxy A51 will be available at Dutch retailers and carriers by the end of January 2020, and it will cost around 370 euros, that will be $390 in the international market, and in India it will cost you around 26,000 Indian rupees. And this phone will come in three colors: crush black, blue and white. The more expensive Samsung Galaxy A70 will cost you around 470 euros, that is approximately $500 in the international market, and in India this phone you will get for 32,000 to 33,000 Indian rupees, and this will be available in crush black, blue and silver colors. The exact launch date is still unknown, but it will be launched in the end of January 2020. The phone should cost you around the same in the other European countries, and though there is usually small differences from the region to region. For comparison with the outgoing models, the Galaxy A50, which was 350 euros, while the Galaxy A70 was 420 euros at the launch. So these are the price details and the launch details we know about the Samsung Galaxy A71 and Samsung Galaxy A51. If you have any other doubts, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.